Okay, so to create collections, it's actually pretty simple. You just have to go on videos and then click on all collections. And here you can see all of your collections created, okay? These are the collections that I created so far, okay? This was for my previous launch, Dropshiply, and then I created some collections. But actually, this feature is really nice because it keeps all your related videos together, okay? So all videos is default and you cannot delete this, okay, from the system, from the Motvio platform. So to create a new collection, all you have to do is click here, okay, and you can call it as you like, okay. You can select all the videos that you want to belong to that particular collection, okay, and you just create the collection by clicking on create collection, okay. You can also search for a particular collection or video in the search bar, okay. So in this case, I'm not going to create a collection because I have a few collections already, so I'm going to be showing you here. But actually here, yeah, you can also search collections or videos here, okay, with a search bar. So after you created the collection, you can do a few things. Okay, so let's take this collection right here. You can click on the three dots right here, okay, and you can see different options. You can edit, okay, your collection. You can share as a playlist. You can add an image for your collection, a cover, and then you can delete your collection entirely. I'm going to actually show you here image. You can add an image for your collection, pretty simple. You can choose a file from your computer and then you can add the image, okay, and it's gonna look like this one right here, okay, on the left, okay. See, basically it's an image for your collection, okay. Now it will be displayed nicely like this one, okay. It's a cover for your collection. So with collections you can do many things, okay. You can also share as playlist, okay, and if I click it, you can see that I can share the collection, the entire collection as a playlist, okay. In the drop down menu here you can also you can embed it, and you can also share the link for your collection. But in this case, okay, you can share it, okay, and you can check several different things. Actually, let's click on the collection so I'll show you better here, okay. So share as playlist, basically it's gonna share your collection as a playlist, okay, and then here you can do several different things, okay. You can add video to the collection. You can view as a playlist. You can check the analytics, okay, of your collection. You can delete the collection entirely, okay. So if you just click on share as playlist, okay, you can share the collection as a playlist, okay. You can take the embed code and embed it anywhere, okay, this one right here, on any website you want, WordPress or store, whatever, okay, Shopify, and you will see the entire collection displayed. All your videos will be displayed just like in a YouTube playlist, okay. So in this case, let me show you an example. So this is the link of the collection, right? So I'm going to copy and then open. Let's see, okay, let's open it here, okay. So let's do this, let's type it, and then you will see the entire collection as a playlist, okay. See how beautiful it is? So you can see it right here. And also, actually, forgot to tell you something, okay. This is like the Inline Embed. This is for WordPress, okay. But here also you can set the video size and also the responsiveness, okay, which means that the video will be resized to fill its container, like to be responsive, okay. Now with a share link, you can take the share link and then you can share it anywhere, and you can paste it like it's to share your videos and collections. So if you take this link and paste it anywhere, you will be seeing the collection displayed as a playlist, and this page obviously is going to be public because the videos in this collection are set to public, so everyone can see them, okay. If you want them private, you just have to make your videos private, okay. These videos, by the way, will get indexed, so you are going to also earn money with ads if you want. You can check on any video in your playlist, and the page will change if you select another video. For example, if I select this one, obviously it's gonna play this one, okay. So the videos in the playlist are going to be numbered, okay, 1, 2, as you can see, and down below people can also leave you comments, okay, if they want on your videos. We have a couple of cool features here, include timestamp, this one, and also basically you can select pause video while typing, which is a fantastic feature, because basically as soon as someone starts typing, okay, or you start typing here, the video will stop automatically. Okay, if you select this one. So, you know, YouTube has tons of comments when people place an exact timestamp, right? For example, they include a timestamp in the comments. They say like 2.25 minutes. Okay, please go back to 2 minutes and 25 seconds. I don't understand what you have shown here. And people do this a lot, okay, in YouTube. So we decided to include this killer feature as well, okay, the timestamp. And as soon as you type, the video will stop automatically. Okay, at that exact moment. Okay, as soon as you don't understand something, you can start typing and the video will stop right there immediately. Okay, people can easily make comments and other people can comment as well. Okay, so if you want to reply to a person, just click reply. Okay, easy stuff. So the playlist feature, it's absolutely great for streaming. Okay, for example, if you want to promote products like Amazon products, Shopify, affiliate stuff, affiliate products, you don't want to hide your videos generally, because you don't want to keep them private, because you want the people to see your videos so they can promote your products. So you can put them, I mean, you want to promote your products, okay? So you want people to see them, and you can put them here as a timeline, and they will showcase all here, okay? And people will see all your nice videos at one time, okay? It's an absolutely fantastic feature. You can also edit your collection, okay? Let me go back quickly. Here, you can edit your collection, okay? Let me go back so I can show you here. You can edit your collection, okay? You just click here and you edit your collection entirely, okay? You can change the title, the description, okay? Just click on the pencil here. You can change title, description, anything you want. So this page will be also SEO optimized as well, okay? Because with every public playlist, we provide you the title, the meta description. So whatever you change here, okay, will be indexed by Google, okay? So if people are looking for some videos in particular in Google, this public page, okay, your playlist will be indexed, meaning people can easily find you on Google, okay? And you can also, another thing that you can do, actually, you can download, okay, let me see. And you can also download the video currently being played into different resolutions, okay? And this one, it's in the, yeah, it's in the playlist. If you share this playlist, you can download your videos that are currently being played into different resolutions, okay? So let's move on now into the analytics feature. I will walk you through each and every one of them.